Evelyn always believed her stories lived only on the page, until the night she found the old Remington typewriter at a dusty estate sale. Drawn to its gleaming keys and mysterious aura, she took it home, eager to chase inspiration. But as her fingers danced across the letters, something impossible happened. The detective she was writing, gruff, trench-coated, and sharp-eyed, appeared, confused, in her living room. Panicked, Evelyn typed a hasty explanation into the story, and the detective suddenly understood his strange surroundings. Intrigued and a little terrified, she tested the limits. A villain slithered from the shadows, a lost love re-entered her life, each character emerging real and unpredictable. Soon, her small apartment teemed with fictional personalities, all clamoring for her attention and blurring the line between fiction and reality. Every choice Evelyn made at the typewriter had consequences, some delightful, others dangerous. As chaos mounted and her world unraveled, she faced an agonizing decision: use the typewriter to rewrite her world or destroy it forever, risking losing everything she had come to cherish.